In this quick video, I'm going to show you two methods to fix the issue of DirectX 12 not being supported on your system. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. First, we need to check if DirectX 12 is installed. Open your start menu, search for DXDIAG and run the program. Look at the bottom to check your DirectX version. If it shows DirectX 11, then we'll need to try a couple of methods to get DirectX 12 installed. Also click on the display tab to check if your system has a dedicated graphics card. If you are using integrated graphics, these fixes might not work, but it's still worth trying. The best way to get DirectX 12 updates is by ensuring your Windows version is up to date. Search for updates and install any available updates. Next, make sure your graphic drivers are updated. For NVIDIA GPUs, use the NVIDIA app to check for updates. There was even a specific driver update for malware drivers that could resolve these issues. If those don't work, try this final fix. Open Steam or Epic Games depending on where you downloaded malware drivers. On Steam, select malware drivers, go to properties and paste the command from description, which is -tx11. For Epic Games, click the three dots, go to manage, toggle on launch option and paste the command there. Try running the game again and keep in mind that malware drivers has had issues on older graphic cards and the developers have confirmed it doesn't work on integrated graphics. If this solution didn't work, leave a comment and I'll do my best to help you. Now, if I was a big help, can you please like this video? For now, thanks for watching.